Hi, I'm Dr. Julieta Peralta Arambulo. I'd like to share with you corrective hair transplant surgery. Hair transplant repair is a correction of previous and unsuccessful hair transplant surgery done in other clinics. If you have this poor result from hair restoration, do not be discouraged. We understand how you feel. On this video, you will understand how hair transplant correction or repair surgery can improve the unnatural and poor density hair restoration results from poor hair transplant procedure you did somewhere. Even if you have depleted donor area, there is still hope. In hair transplant repair surgery, schedule a consultation appointment for assessment of your donor hair bank. Donor reserve, depleted or not, we give you the right recommendation as in this patient. And these are the results 2 years after from corrective hair transplant surgery. With the remaining donor reserve, he also underwent crown hair restoration surgery. Call us for consultation appointment and understand how you can be helped. Thank you.